In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select object in Affinity Photo. With your image open and ready, the goal is to isolate your subject cleanly so you can hide the background without damaging the original pixels. First, make sure you're working in the pixel environment rather than vector. You'll find this toggle at the top of the interface. Pixel mode enables the raster-based tools designed for photo editing, which is what we need for precise selections and masking. Next, choose the selection brush tool from the toolbar. Affinity Photo offers multiple selection tools, but we'll use the selection brush because it's fast and intuitive for most objects. In the context toolbar, confirm the brush is set to add to the selection. Adjust the brush size to roughly match the edge detail of your subject. A smaller brush gives you more control around hair and fine contours, while a larger brush speeds up broad areas. As you paint over the subject, Affinity analyzes color and contrast to snap the selection to edges. If it grabs too much, switch to subtract mode or hold the modifier key shown in the status bar to temporarily subtract, and paint back along the background. Zoom in as needed and work methodically around the perimeter. A steady, overlapping stroke usually produces cleaner edges than quick dabs. Once your selection looks solid, apply a mask. This creates a non-destructive layer mask that hides the background while keeping every pixel intact. You'll see only the selected object remain visible. If you notice small halos or missed spots, select the mask thumbnail and paint with a soft black brush to hide stray background, or with white to reveal any missing parts of the subject. You can also slightly feather or smooth the selection in the context toolbar before masking if the edges feel too hard. That's it. You've selected your object and removed the background using a clean, non-destructive mask. Save your work, and you're ready to refine, composite, or export as needed.